Hi students, in this video I am going to explain about section E. In my previous video I have explained sample paper 2024 class 10 Cbse section D. So in this video I am going to explain section E. Let us see question number 36 students. So try to understand the question first. Manpreet Kaur is the national record holder for women in the shot put discipline. Her throw of 18.86 meters at the Asian Grand Prix in 2017 is the maximum distance for an Indian female athlete. Okay, this is the maximum distance. And keeping her as a role model, Sanjita. So Sanjita is determined to earn gold in Olympics one day. So initially her throw reached how much distance, students? 7.56 meters only. Okay. Being an athlete in school, she regularly practiced both in the mornings and the evenings and was able to improve the distance by 9 centimeters every week. This is 9 centimeters every week she is improving. Okay. So during the special camp for 15 days, she started with 40 throws and started with 40 throws means first day she is going to throw 40 times. Okay. And every day kept increasing the number of throws by 12. Okay. To achieve this remarkable progress. So from what chapter this question is? This question is from arithmetic progressions. Okay students. Arithmetic progressions. Okay. So let us see the data what they have given here. Okay, so the number of throws initially is 40 throws. Means first day she is going to throw 40 throws. And so first throw is 40. And every week, so each and every day, how many number of throws she is increasing? 12 throws. Means D they have given as 12. Understood students? Okay. So let us see the first question. How many throws Sanjita placed on 11th day? So 11th day means what they are asking? A11. What is the formula? A plus 10D. Okay. So apply and find out 40 plus 10 into 12. How much students? 40 plus 120. That is equal to 160 throws. Okay. This is about the first bit. Did you understand students? Now next question what they are asking is what would be Sanjita's throw distance at the end of 6 weeks or when will she be able to achieve a throw of 11.16 meters? Here if you observe carefully here internal choice is there. Any one you can. Okay. So I'm going to explain both. Okay students. So what would be Sanjita's throws distance at the end of 6 weeks they are asking. Means what? N is equal to 6 they have given. Okay. So second bit N is equal to 6 they have given. And also what is the initial throw? Initially means A is equal to 7.56 meters. Okay. And D is equal to how much she is improving every week? 9 centimeters. Understood students? So D convert into meters. A is in meters, D is centimeters. So 0.09 meters. Okay. Six D. That is equal to 7.56 plus 6 into 0.09. Okay students. So 7.56 plus how much? Multiply 6 into 0.09 that is 0.54. How much students? 8.1 meters. Okay. And the next bit what they are asking? This one. When will she be able to reach a throw of 11.16 meters? Means what they have given here? This AN they have given or AN they have given 11.16 meters, students. Okay. So A is same, D is same. What we have to find? We have to find N. Okay. So let us find N here. So what is the formula? 11.16 is equal to A, how much? 7.56 plus N, we have to find D 0.09. Okay. Now you solve for N. So 11.16 minus 7.56 is equal to N minus 1 into 0.09. Very, very easy, students. Just you have to understand the question carefully. Okay. So 3.6 and transpose 0.09, that is equal to N minus 1. Here, if you multiply with 100, you will get 360 by 9, that is equal to N minus 1. So 40 plus 1 is equal to N, and therefore N is equal to 41. Did you understand, students? Very, very easy. Okay. So next is third bit. How many throws did she do during the entire camp of 15 days? They are asking. Okay. How many throws? So first one we know. Third one I'm going to explain here. Okay. So A they have initially throw is 40 throws. Okay. And number of throws she is increasing is by 12. Okay, students. So N is equal to how much they have given? 15 days means N is 15. Now, what they are asking? Entire camp means what we have to do? We have to find Sn. Understood? So, what is the formula, students, for Sn? What is the formula? Sn is equal to N by 2 into 2a plus N minus 1 into D. Okay. So that is equal to N is how much? 15 by 2 into 2 into 40 plus 15 minus 1 into 12. Okay. So solve this, students. You will get the answer. So 40 into 2 is 80 plus 14 into 12. Okay. So 15 by 2 into 80 plus 14 into 12. How much, students? 168. Okay. So 80 plus 168, how much? 248. Okay. So 15 by 2 into 248, cancel with 2. This gives 15 into 124. Therefore, Sn is equal to how much? If you multiply, you will get 1860 throws. Did you understand, students? Very, very easy, na? Okay. Next question, students. Question number 37. Let us try to understand the question. Tarunya was thrilled to know that the football tournaments is fixed with a monthly time frame from 20th July to 20th August 2023. Okay. And for the first time in the FIFA Women's World Cup's history, two nations host in how many venues? 10 venues. Okay. Her father felt that the game can be better understood if the position of players is represented as points on a coordinate plane. So here the position is given in, okay. Try to understand the diagram carefully, students. Okay. So here the positions are given. Try to understand the diagram carefully, students. Okay. So they have marked the points as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and K. Okay. So A is defense modifier and so on so. Try to observe the diagram carefully. Now what they are asking, let us find out here. At an instance, so the first bit is at an instance the midfielders and forward formed a parallelogram. So midfielders and forward, where are they? So from here to here. From here to here, these are the midfielders and these are the forward. Here, A, B, C, D formed a parallelogram. Understood? So find the position of the central midfielder D. They are asking us to find D. Coordinates of D. Okay. If the position of other players who form the parallelogram are A 1, 2, this is 1, 2, and B 4, 3, this is 4, 3, and C 6, 6. C is 6, 6. We are going to find D. We don't know. Let us take X, Y as their coordinates. So how to find out? So this is a parallelogram. Okay. The midpoint of the parallelogram, the midpoint of both the diagonals are same. Okay. Apply the midpoints. Okay. So midpoint of AC will be equal to midpoint of BD. Okay. Midpoint formula x1 plus x2 by 2. x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Very, very easy, students. So AC 1 plus 6 by 2, comma 2 plus 6 by 2 will be equal to BD 4 plus x by 2, comma 3 plus y by 2. Now solve this, okay? 7 by 2, comma 8 by 2 means 4. That is equal to 4 plus x by 2. So how will you solve for x and y? How will you solve for x and y? Just equate the x coordinates and y coordinates. Okay. So 7 by 2 will be equal to 4 plus x by 2. Solve for this. 7 2s are 2, cross multiplication. 14 is equal to 8 plus 2x. Okay. 2x is equal to 14 minus 8. How much? 6. X is equal to 6 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 3. Okay. So, in the same way, 4 will be equal to equate the y coordinates to get y. So, 8 is equal to 3 plus y, and 8 minus 3 will be equal to y. Therefore, y is equal to 5. So, now we got the coordinates of x and y. Okay, students. So 3 and 5. So I'm going to mention in the diagram. This is 3, 5. Understood? So next we have found the position of D. Okay. Next, let us see second question. Second question, internal choice. So any one you can solve, students. I'm going to explain both for you. Okay. So check if the goalkeeper G minus 3, 5 and sweeper H3, 1 and wing K0, 3 fall on a same straight line. So G, H and K. Go and find out where are they. G, H and K. This. So G, H and K. So they form a straight line or not, they are asking. So let us find out here. Okay. Now let us do second bit, students. Okay. So G 3, minus 3, 5 and H 3, 1 and K0, 3. We have to check whether these three lie on a same line or not. So what to do? We have to find the distance. This is G, H and K. So we have to find the distance between GH, okay, and distance between HK, okay, HK. If we add these two distances, you must get the distance between G, K. Understood, students? So let us find the distance between GH. You know the formula x2 minus x1. So 3 minus of minus 3 is plus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 5 whole square. This gives how much? 3 plus 3, 6 square is 36 plus 1 minus 5 minus 4 square 16. So this gives square root of 52. Okay. This gives 2 root 13. And the distance between HK, how much, students? So apply the formula h and k. 0 minus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. How much, students? So 0 minus 3 is minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 2 square is 4. So this gives square root of 13. And the distance between GK. How much? Square root of 0 minus of minus 3 is 0 plus 3 whole square plus 3 minus 5 whole square. How much? So 3 square is 9, square root of 9 plus minus 2 whole square is 4. This gives root 13. Okay. So here what we got, students? So HK plus GK, right? HK plus GK, we got GH, right? This means GH and K lie on same line, okay? GH and K lie on same line. Okay, students. Now let us check the optional one. Check if the full back J5 minus 3 and center back 4 minus 4 6 are equidistant from C 0 comma 1 and if C is the midpoint of IJ or not. So what we have to find? We have to find the distance between JC and we have to find the distance between IC. Okay, let us check where it is in our diagram. Okay. Okay. So here J, here I and here C. Okay. Let us find out the distance between CJ and CI now. Okay. And also whether C is equal means these two are equal or not. Let us check. Okay. So let us find the distance. So I'm going to find here, students. This is the OR question. Okay. So JC will be equal to, apply the formula, 0 minus 5 whole square plus 1 minus of minus 3 gives 1 plus 3 whole square. Very, very easy, student. So square root of minus 5 whole square, 25 plus 16, that is equal to square root of 41. Now the distance between IC. Okay, square root of how much, students? I and C. So 0 minus of minus 4 is plus 4 whole square and 1 minus 6 whole square. How much? Very, very easy, students. So 16 plus minus 5 whole square, 25. This also we got as 41. Oh my God, just came equal means the distance between both is equal. So now we got JC is equal to IC. Okay. Now what they are asking? Whether C is the midpoint of IJ or not. Let us see. We know I and J coordinates. Apply midpoint formula over. Okay. So what is a midpoint formula? Midpoint formula, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Where are IJ? So 4 plus of minus 4 by 2, comma minus 3 plus 6 by 2. How much? 4, 5 minus 4 is 1 by 2, comma 6 minus 3, 3 by 2. So what are the coordinates we got? C of x comma y. Okay. We got 1 by 2 comma 3 by is C midpoint. Therefore, C is not midpoint. Okay, students. Now let us see the third bit, students. If the defense midfielder A1 comma 4 attacking midfielder B2 comma minus 3 and striker EA comma B lie on the same straight line and B is equidistant from A and E. So find the position of E they are telling. Okay. So let us check where are A, B and E in our diagram, students. Okay. A here, B here and E here. Okay. So coordinates they have given. B is equidistance from A and E means what? Okay. So A, B and E. This is the diagram. A1 comma 4 and B2 comma minus 3 and E we don't know A comma B. Understand students? So they lie on a straight plane and B is equidistance means from A and E means B is midpoint. B is midpoint. So directly we can apply our midpoint formula. Okay. So 2 comma minus 3 will be equal to 1 plus A by 2 comma 4 plus B by 2. Now equate x coordinates and y coordinates. 2 is equal to 1 plus A by 2 and solve this. You will get A and minus 3 is equal to 4 plus b by 2. Therefore, a is equal to how much students? 4 minus 1, 3 and b is equal to how much students? Minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. Okay. So, these are the coordinates of E. So, E how much? 3 comma minus 10. Did you understand students? So, question number 38 students. Okay. So one evening, Kaushik was in a park. Children were playing cricket. Birds were singing on a nearby tree of height 80 meters. Here there is a tree. Here they have given the height of the tree is 80 meters. And he observed a bird of an angle elevation of 35, sorry. He observed a bird on the tree at an angle of elevation of 45 degrees. If you observe the diagram carefully, look here students. He observed a bird from point C and here the angle of elevation is 45 degrees. Okay. Now when a sixer was hit, a ball flew through the tree, frightening the bird to fly away. So in 2 seconds, he observed the bird flying at the same height. So the bird is at the same height. So it is moving from here to here. Okay. At an angle of elevation of 30 degrees. So here. Okay. From here to here it moved. And the ball flying towards him at the same height at an angle of elevation of 60 degrees. Okay. So this is the 60 degrees elevation. So what you have to do is you have to observe the right angle triangles. What are the triangles we can observe here and what they are asking us to find, let us see. Okay. So here the first question is, at what distance from the foot of the tree was he observing the bird sitting on the tree? Means what you have to find? The distance between, we have to find the CE. So in the first bit we have to find how much CE is. Okay. So in order to get CE, what is the triangle you are going to take? In triangle, right angle triangle CED. Okay, observe carefully CED. Here angle is 90 degrees. And what is the angle of elevation here for this right angle triangle? 30 degrees. Okay, so 30 degrees. So we know opposite side we have to find the adjacent side. So opposite and adjacent we are going to take tan ratio. So tan theta angle is 30 degrees. Okay, you have to write the formula. Afterwards only you have to write this step. Okay, so opposite side DE by CE. Okay, tan 30 how much students? Tan 30 1 by root 3, that is equal to DE. They have given 80 meters by CE. So now CE will be equal to, do cross multiplication in order to get the answer. So 80 root 3 meters. Okay, this is what they have asked. Okay, CE is equal to 80 root 3 meters. And next second bit. So if you observe here, second bit internal choice is there. So any one you can answer, but I am going to explain both the questions. How far did the bird fly in the mentioned time? So how far means initially it is here. Initially it is here. From here to here they are asking. Means AD distance they are asking. AD is nothing but BE. Understood? Now you are going to find BE. How will you get BE? Okay, so what we have to do is, now I'm going to take triangle CAB, this one, this right angle triangle CAB. So here also angle how much we have for this? Angle is 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees is equal to AB by CB. Okay, tan 45 is 1. So AB is nothing but 80. So AB is equal to how much? D. Okay, that is 80. And CB we are going to find now. Okay. And CB we are going to find. If you do cross multiplication, CB is equal to 80 meters. Understood? So from these two datas, we are going to find BE. What will be BE, students? So BE will be equal to CE minus CB. Understood? So CE how much? 80 root 3 minus 80. That is equal to 8. So 80 root 3 minus 80 gives 80 into root 3 minus 1 meters. Understood? Okay. So B we got. Next, this one, after hitting the tree, how far did the ball travel in the sky when Kaushik saw the ball? So here, here I am going to write in triangle CGF. Okay. Here the angle of elevation is how much? CGF 60 degrees. Okay. So tan 60 degrees is equal to tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side FG by CG. Okay. FG by CG. We know tan 60 is root 3. Understood? So root 3 is equal to FG is, it is the height of the same height of the tree, that is 80 by CG. So C, do cross multiplication, we will get 80 by root 3. In order to solve, multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3, student. So CG will be equal to 80 root 3 by 3. Okay. Meters. Understood? So next one, third bit. So the ball traveled means CG 80 root 3 by 3. And also GB we have to find here. This is the distance traveled by the ball, no? So how will you get GB? GB we will get CB minus CG. Okay. CB how much, students? 80 minus CG how much, students? 80 by root 3 or 80 root 3. Let us take 80 by root 3. It will be easy for you. So 80 of 1 minus 1 by root 3 meters. This is the distance traveled by the ball. Okay. Did you understand, students? What they are asking? In the third bit, what they are asking? Let us see here. What is the speed of the bird in meters per minute if it has flown 20 of root 3 plus 1 meters? So distance they have given. So how much distance? So distance is equal to 20 of root 3 plus 1 meters they have given. They are asking us to find the speed and what is the time then. Okay. Time, how much time? 2 seconds, right? 2 seconds. Okay. So speed is equal to distance by time. We know the formula. Distance by time, that is equal to 20 of root 3 plus 1 whole divided by 2, that is equal to 10 of root 3 plus 1 meters per second. This is meters per second. So they are asking us to find in meters per minutes. Okay. So that will be equal to 10 into 60 of root 3 plus 1 meters per 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds now. That is equal to 600 of root 3 plus 1 meters per minutes. This is the speed. Did you understand, students? Okay. If you really understand all these videos, do like, share and subscribe. Share to all your friends, students. Thank you.